Welcome. If you're looking to add an address to your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. With Facebook's latest update, the steps are easier than ever. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can make sure your customers always know exactly where to find you. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Once you're on the home page, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu with all the pages you manage. Find the page where you want to add your address and click to enter it. Now that you're on your page, take a look at the menu on the left side or just below your page's cover photo, depending on your layout. Click on the section labeled About. This is where all your page's important details are stored. Inside the About section, scroll down until you see the option that says Add Your Address. Click on it, and a form will pop up. Here's where you'll enter your business or page address. Fill in each field carefully. Make sure to include the street address, city, state or region, and postal code. Double-check that everything is accurate, as this information will help people find your location easily. Once you've filled out all the required fields, take a moment to review your information. When you're happy with it, click the Save button at the bottom of the form. That's it. Your address is now added to your Facebook page. Adding your address not only helps customers find you, but it also makes your page look more professional and trustworthy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.